Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laura of Laura Plans It, and today I am planning for the week of July 6th through the 12th, 2020 in my Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner. Okay, so I have been waiting to use this kit forever. I wanted to find the perfect week to use it, and I feel like this is the week to use the Flamingo kit from Nightingale Paper Co, which I think is actually going to be retiring soon. So I highly recommend, and I will link it in the description below, that you head on over to her website and pick up this kit because, y'all, it's got flamingos for one, but it is so beautifully put together. I think it's just gorgeous how she pulls the colors from these pictures and makes it look so stunning. I'm so excited to use this. So I'm not gonna waste any more time talking. I'm gonna go ahead and lay out my spread, and when I'm done, I will come back and walk you through everything I've done. Okay, so here's my setup for the week. This is the second week in these new planners, and I'm so happy to have my half hours back. But I'm also, I love the colors that Amber picked out to go with this kit, which I had asked her to make a flamingo kit, and she did. And guys, I was so silly. I ordered just the one sheet, where is it, the full boxes, and in my order, and I didn't even realize it. And she was so sweet. She relisted it for me at the $2 Tuesday price so that I could buy it. And so I've been like hoarding it because I didn't know when I wanted to use it, but I just felt like this week was the week to have it in here. It's so pretty, and it makes me so happy to have it here. And I love all of these pictures, and I feel like I need to buy like 3 more of these for just forever, just to keep using them. Anyways, I put in the bottom and the top washi first, and some of the full box stickers. I put in the weekend sticker as well. I went in and put our appointments for the week. Still not that much going on. Not only is it, we're staying home and secluding, but it's also summertime, so we don't do a lot in the summer anyways. And then I put in my habit trackers, my things that I need to get done this week, which is pretty small. I've been using my Hourly LifePlanner and my A5 Filofax with the cloth and paper inserts to kind of divvy up a lot of the things that I've got going on right now, because I'm trying to do a lot more since it's summer and I've got nowhere to go. So I've got kind of the necessities in here. I put a reading tracker in here. I'm reading a new book on my Kindle. I can't recall the name of it though, so I'm gonna have to go look it up. And because it's a Kindle, I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to track page numbers particularly, but I might put in the percentage. You know, I started at 12% and I've got, you know, I'm at 52% through the book. I don't know. But I'm just loving that as well, and I just thought that was a neat thing to add in here. And then the last thing that I did was put in the rest of the decorative stickers. Now, I will, and I do this every week, I will take what's left of the stickers, and there's quite a bit left because, again, it's summertime, and I will tuck them in to the back pocket right here, and I'll do that right now. And they're gonna stay in there for the rest of this week, and that way, as new appointments come up or as things go on, so let's say I need to order groceries, let's say I'm gonna go pick those up on Wednesday, I can add the sticker without having to go dig for them in what basically amounts to my planning space, which is now just a jumbo mess and needs to be organized and cleaned. But this is it, and as I said, I will add things in as they come up, and you can always see what that looks like over at Instagram as well. So I hope you liked this Plan With Me video. If you do, go ahead and hit that like button. If you'd like to see more Plan With Me videos in my Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to tap that bell. That turns on notifications so you're always alerted when a new video comes out. And as always, for behind the scenes, sneak peeks, and what I'm working on right now, head on over to my Instagram at Laura Plans It. Thanks so much for watching.